ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the FRAG View, coming to you with another video review. And today we are going to get into my part 2 of the Sephora haul. But honey, there's still an issue. If you're interested in hearing what that issue is, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we spill, sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it, okay? I have been waiting to do this Sephora part 2 haul for you all. And I know today is Black Friday. You all are out there getting them deals on top of deals. I probably am too. To maybe even pick up some things for Christmas or yourself or whatever the case is. So I really wanted to do this haul, right, for you all for Black Friday. And honey, do you know I'm still waiting for items? I look and it's saying awaiting carrier pickup. Like we've been waiting a long time. Can somebody out there in the UPS land just pick up my package, please, and ship it to me? Like, what is going on? Did y'all just like forget about it? We don't care. I mean, man. So I'm just gonna let you all know what I have coming. I'm not gonna do another video, but so I have the Summer Fridays lip, and I have that in the vanilla beige. So I love a good Summer Fridays lip. I don't know if you all like their lippies, but I love their Butter Balm. Love it, so good. So I have that, and then I also picked up the new Sweet Mint of the Summer Fridays. Okay, so I hope nobody got me from my Sweet Mint. Do y'all think somebody got me from my Sweet Mint? It's saying awaiting. What does that mean? Awaiting carrier. It's at the place, right? Just nobody picked it up. They bypassing it. What in the world? Anyway, so then I also have Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. So I have that coming, and I actually got that in the 3.3 ounce. I know that they had the little minis that came in 2 that were for sale, but I really find more value in the larger one, so I picked up the larger one. And then I also had to re-up on my Fenty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Long Wearing Liquid Foundation. I wear the number 440. And so I love the Fenty. You know, I really haven't kind of dove into other foundations, so we can talk about it. I have heard so many things about this foundation. I was like, you know, I normally, again, I'm not the makeup guru, right? So I'm not going to get like foundation on top of foundation. Like I'm going to use one and then I'm going to move on to the next one. But I've heard so many great things about this one that I'm like, I am interested. So this is the Haus Lab by Lady Gaga, and this is a foundation tint. So I honestly don't know what that means. I don't know if that's like your skin but better, like if it's like a lighter coverage, but we'll get into it. But I got the color 450 medium deep warm, and I actually did like, so this would be my first time even using this. So I did the app that you can to find your foundation match. So I use MAC. I've used MAC in the past, so I know, you know, my number on that, and I've used Fenty. So you put in those and they really color match you. And so I'm hoping that this works, but we'll see. I will come back to the table and let you all know. But excited, but I got that during the Sephora sale. I also purchased actually 2 of these. Let me get the other one. Excusez-moi. But I purchased 2 of the Sephora organic cotton pads. I use quite a few different cotton pads, and because this is the Sephora brand, and I want to say these were like $4 or less than that. Like, it was a no-brainer for me to pick these up during the sale. And I normally use that for kind of my facial when I'm cleansing my face, and I love the cotton pads and using that, okay? So I picked that up. I don't know if you all heard, a sister is having a hard time with her hands like this season. Like, it's not cold yet, but I don't know, I just feel like my hands, I don't know, is my skin texture getting a little bit different? But I feel like my hands are becoming pretty rough, and I don't like it.
Are you really gonna zoom in on my ashy hands? Come on now. What? You have to prep women for that. You can't just zoom in on people's fingers and hands.
Like, your hands aren't ready to be.
They're not.
I don't like it at all. Okay? It's not girly. It's not sexy. None of the above. So I was thinking about getting like a butter. So I might pick up the Fenty hand mask soon, but there was also this 54 Thrones. And this is a African hand and body butter, right? And so I looked at the hands, and I kind of looked at the history, the story about this. And, you know, I love a good, you know, anything for our people, I'm down. But the 54 Thrones, I really have heard a great deal about this. And I'm hoping that this will be a thick body butter or a hand butter that maybe can moisturize my hand or whatever my hands are doing, but can really make it more smooth and more likable to my liking. Because not like somebody's holding my hand, but I'm holding my hand. Now, I really don't hold my hand, but still, I don't want my hands rough. And you know, I know what you're saying, you know, because I do wash my hands, yes. And the water, yes. But even after, I don't know what that is. But if you also have some maybe recommendations for me with my hands that you would suggest that I use, please comment down below. Again, I'm definitely looking at the Fenty mask, so that will probably be added to my life soon. But if there's any other recommendations, let your sis know, hook me up. You all know, I pay attention. I follow the instructions, okay? Next, I have the Tatcha, and this is the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Now, I don't know why I got this. I'll tell you why I got this. I think maybe AI the Great was talking about this, a couple other content creators. I don't know if Abby with Love was talking about this. Somebody was talking about this. And that's why I got it. But I got the little one because I don't know what it does. What does this do? Is this it's a hydrating spray. Refreshing and hot. You like, but sis, why did you get it if you don't even know what it does? Know your sis. You know, I get influenced by the littlest of things. You know yourself. Check your problems. Anyway, so you shake gently and must 2 to 3 spritz into your face for a boost of hydrating and glow under or over makeup. Okay, so this, I guess, refreshes maybe makeup or puts hydration back into your face. I can get with that. I mean, as simple as that. I love Tatcha. I love Tatcha brand. So I can give it a little bit of a hydration. You know, I know I need all the hydration in this fall going into the winter because we passing clearly. I don't know if we going backwards. Because that fall is becoming summer. I just don't know. I don't know what's going on with the weather, but fall becoming summer, and then I don't know. But family, you know what? I have to talk about it. I gotta talk about it. I wasn't gonna say nothing. Because I ain't got nothing to do with fragrance. Okay? So we're gonna have family meeting. Because I ain't got nothing to do with fragrance. And when we say family meeting, if you don't care nothing what I got to say about nothing but fragrance, you might want to go bypass this because I have a family meeting. And then I come back and I'll finish up the haul, let you all know what else I got. It's real quick. We almost done. So you can go ahead and shop your life away and my life away. But I really have to talk about it, okay? Family meeting. Let's get it in.
Everything stopped for tea.
Family, I don't know if you all saw, okay? And this really breaks my heart. But I really just need to talk about this for a second. Okay, so there is this, and I don't know what part, I mean, it does say, so again, I'm going through the story because we're going to get to the end, right? So the details, go find the story to get the news breaking of the details. Anyway, okay, so in Atlanta, somewhere in Atlanta, this lady was celebrating her birthday, okay? On a roof. There's a TikTok video on this too, but celebrating her birthday, and on the roof decided for her birthday to light up some fireworks on the roof of an apartment building for her birthday. And the fireworks went boom, right? And breaks out all over the place with the fire on the roof of the apartment. I can't even get it out. My gosh, it's so bad. I can't even get it out. What am I trying to say? The fire came down, released on the roof of the entire apartment complex. And so people are out of home. They couldn't even get the fire under control because it was so large and it was just going and it kept, oh my goodness, my heart just goes out to those people for the dumbest thing in the world. Why in the world would you do that?
Atlanta police have arrested 2 people in connection with the fire, 42-year-old Robert Stokes and 25-year-old Charnel Gunn. Investigators say the 2 were lighting fireworks on the building's roof. They've charged them with reckless conduct and criminal damage to property.
You have literally left people homeless about to be Thanksgiving because you want to celebrate your birthday on the roof with fireworks. Do better. America, we got to do better, all right? Moving on. Next up, I picked this up because the MJ Harris told me to pick it up.
Who?
He did. He ain't called me, but he told me to pick it up. It was through IG. So, honey, I know, well, if you don't know who MJ is.
Baby, I found this amazing lip gloss. Where is it? This right here. You know how when you put on lip gloss, your lips sometimes can get dry, a little too cakey after a while? Never with this stuff. Never. It's called, what is it called? And they ain't paid me no money. They need to. It's called Fresh Sugar.
I don't know. Just go on IG because you should. But he is such a motivator, has his own way of telling you truth, and love him. Love his life. But he basically told the girlies, if you want your lips moisturized, he said he was going up to Sephora to get Fresh. Now, I've never tried Fresh, and this is the sugar watermelon one. I couldn't get to Sephora fast enough before the sale ended, okay? Let me tell you. I'm so glad he told me that when I could still get it on the Sephora sale. But I did try this, okay? And look, open it. You can see my finger. I did try it because I couldn't wait. When I tell you he ain't lying, do people talk about this? I've not heard of this except for when MJ has mentioned this, but Fresh Sugar has a watermelon hydrating lip balm. And he is right. This lasts all day. This is amazing. My newfound lip balm of love. I love this. Used it one time and I was like, oh, he ain't never lied. I said, oh, he hooked us up. So if you don't have this, I would check this out and see what you think. But this lasts for me and my lips. We wasn't scrumptious enough, okay? It was so good. I did enjoy this. So last but certainly not least, I got Danessa Myricks, and this is the Yummy Skin. And this is the Blurring Balm Powder Flush. Okay, I got this in the Dancing Queen color. It was red. It looked like a darker red. And I am interested, right? I don't have, this is actually my first Danessa Myrick anything that I have in my collection. So I definitely have to get more things. But this color looked amazing. Ooh, ooh-wee. And I'm so excited. I want to use this, and this, believe can go on your cheeks or maybe even anywhere. But this is definitely a cream base. I'm getting, I know some. So I'm so excited to try this out, and this color for the fall and winter season is going to be everything. So that is all, family. Again, I'm still waiting on the rest of my stuff, but that is all I got from the Sephora haul. I really kept it cute and to the point. You know, there are some things I needed to re-up on, some things I just wanted to try. I really shop the Sephora site throughout the year. So when I get to the Sephora sale, sometimes I'm just like, what do I get? Because I have so many things that I haven't even, you know, opened or tried. So it gets kind of hard for me, but I do enjoy Sephora and their sales. It allows us to get, you know, a little bit of a coin off and shop till we drop. And I look forward to the next Sephora savings event, okay? Make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you, family. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you are good to yourself, okay? Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. Enjoy your Friday. See you Monday. Bye.